Hey everybody, welcome back to another Times Tuesday. Today I have Olivia.
Hi, Olivia.
Hi.
And we have Giant Lightnings and Racing Champions.
You're going to do a Giant Lightning's Racing Champion video. And Olivia's going to help you assist on this.
We're not opening them though.
Just going to show them off.
Yeah.
Okay.
Here's the first one.
Let her hand them to you if she can, I guess. What do we got here? This is a 70 Dodge Super B. In white.
I'm gonna do this one.
This one's a Racing Champion. Racing Champions. Oops. I dropped it, sorry. Oh, it doesn't have nothing in the back. You can't see it through the back. Alright. The next one you have is a Racing Champion. You're going to do all the Racing Champions first, I think, right? The 70 Barracuda. That's what you're going to do, Tommy? All your the Racing Champion stuff first? Here you go, Olivia. And this is another Racing Champion. What do we got here? Hot Country. And this is a Ford, ain't it? This should be a 58 Ford or 57 Ford Ranchero. It doesn't say on the card anywhere. 1998. Okay. Next one. What do we got here? Another Racing Champions, 50th anniversary, 1962. This should be a Dodge Polara, stock car. Jacob's Auto Salvage, limited edition. Ned Turnberger or something. I don't know. Back is done. These all have metal bases, don't they, Tommy?
Yeah.
And do they? I think they all have rubber tires too.
Yeah. I don't know.
It's hard to. Yeah, they do. Yeah, they're all metal on metal. Next one is another Racing Champions, and this is 2017 86 Buick Regal T-Type.
No.
In blue, with blue interior. It's like a turbo car. It's got nice wheels on this one, Tommy.
Yeah.
And this one is Racing Champions 2017. It's 1960 Chevy Impala. In black. I think that's... Is that black? Actually, that's not black. That's actually blue. It's like a blue color. 60 Impala. Next, this is the start of your Johnny Lightnings, Tommy?
Yeah.
The Zingers. Street Freaks.
I think so. It's black.
You think it's black? And this is a 70 Plymouth GTX in purple.
See all the black blades?
Yeah, it looks black, Olivia, but I think it's actually blue, though. That Chevy.
I think so. It's black.
It's a blue one. And this is a Johnny Lightning. This is the 76 Dodge Aspen RT in white. And this, I think this one has a plastic base on it, Tommy. The Dodge Aspen. I think it's a plastic base and maybe, looks like it probably has plastic tires too. The next one is, which one we doing? We're doing this one?
Yeah.
Alright, this one's Hot Rod, Johnny Lightning's officially authorized Krager exclusive license 66 Oldsmobile. Hurst Harry Olds a 66 Cutlass. And this car has two motors in it, Tommy. Did you know that?
No.
You see in the back window?
Oh.
There's another motor back there.
Huh.
Okay. Next, Tommy's got what do we got here? This is 2017, a 65 GTO. Yeah, 65 GTO in red. Fire chief looking car. I think this is the only one we got is the red fire chief. I don't think we have any of the police ones. Alright. What else you got there, guys? Olivia's got this one here. This is the Classic Gold Collection 2017. This is the Ford Gran Torino. 74 Gran Torino. Yeah, metal on metal. Alright. Next one, we have the Spoilers. 2016 76 Camaro. In white and black. And it's got a nice big motor in there. I like that motor in that car. It looks really good. Okay, and then Olivia's got here Classic Gold 2017. This is an Oldsmobile Cutlass Supreme 1977 in black. Oh, it's got bucket seats in the Cutlass. I had one of these Tommies. This Cutlass. I had a white one with bucket seats like that. It had I think it had blue interior though. I had a white 77 Olds Cutlass Supreme. That was a nice car. It had everything. It had swivel bucket seats. It had the floor shift.
You have that something like that?
I had the exact same. I had that same car except it was white with bucket seats. That one's got bucket seats in it. This is another gold edition, 2017. This is the International Scout, 1979, in blue. White interior, white wheels. That's a nice one. Next, let's see here. Here's another Classic Gold, 2016 73 Pontiac GTO. The last of the nice GTOs. So it had one more year. Last Le Mans GTO. And
this is the third last one.
this one here you want to do?
Yeah.
Johnny Whiting's Praying Mantis 2016 67 Chevy Camaro Z28 in white. 67 Camaro. Nice. Alright. What you got there, Olivia? You've got another Classic Gold 2016 1980 Chevy Monza Spider in silver with blue stripes. That's a cool looking car. You don't see many of these. I remember when these were all over the road.
This is the last one.
And this is the last one here. The Dodge Warlock. 1978 Dodge Warlock in green. Wow. 1978. Very nice. Very cool sets. Some cool cars there, Tommy. Which one's your favorite, you think?
One of these two.
No.
One of which ones?
I like these.
One of these two.
The Scout or the Dodge? Which one do you like, Olivia?
She doesn't
All
want
of
to pick that
them.
one.
You like all of them?
Yeah.
I also like the Camaro.
The Camaro. Alright. Very good. Excellent.
This is it for this video. Hope you liked it. And comment down below showing you is your favorite.
Hit the like button.
Subscribe. Hit the
Subscribe.
thumbs up. And
Thumbs
see you
up,
next
Olivia.
week. Hit the bell button. And see you next week.
And any comments,
Drive
comment below. And drive safe. Alright.
Daddy, they both
What's it?
crash.
Oh, they both crash. Okay.
Yeah.
Well, say goodbye, Olivia. Until next time. Bye, everybody.